Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I wanted to create something that speaks about hope, love, and the contrast between light and darkness. So, I started with this simple idea, rose by the window. I begin by painting the background in shades of grey to give that feeling of calm, a little mystery, and maybe even a touch of loneliness. Then, I added this warm golden light coming through the window. For me, this golden glow represents hope. The light we all look for when life feels a little heavy. Next, I worked on the rose. I chose red because a rose is more than just a flower. It's a symbol of love, strength, and resilience. No matter where it grows, a rose always finds its way toward the light. I wanted this one to feel alive, standing proud and bold against the muted background. The green leaves give it that touch of nature, of life that keeps going. But the part I love most, the shadow on the wall. While the rose basks in the sunlight, its shadow lingers quietly, almost unnoticed. To me, that shadow represents the other side of beauty, the struggles, the silent battles we all fight that no one sees. And yet, both the rose and its shadow are part of the same story. Light and darkness, together, create depth and meaning. This painting reminds me that no matter how grey things feel, there's always a window of light waiting for us. We just need to reach for it, like this rose. And when we do, even our shadows become a part of something beautiful. Thanks for watching.